Thank you guys for checking out that video. Before I end this, I just want to talk about the gear I used to film that video. So goggle and controller wise, I was using the DJI Goggles 2 and the DJI FPV controller. And those are basically the only goggles and controller that I've been flying these days. And then for the most part, when it comes to drones, I was flying these pre-built bind and fly drones from iFlight. The new O3 Air unit is an incredibly powerful piece of technology, but when you just buy the unit itself, you have to actually install it into a drone. So in the past, for the most part, I've just been flying bind and flies just because, especially with my travel schedule, I just don't have the time to build them. That's why I'm so freaking pumped that iFlight has just released new drones that come with the O3 Air unit pre-installed. So when you get the drone, all you have to do is just bind everything together and you're good to go. The specific drones that I used for this one are the Evoke F5D and the Chimera 7 Pro. For most of the longer range stuff, I would use this Chimera just because it's a little bit bigger, you can put bigger batteries on it, and for the most part, I just feel more comfortable flying further away with this bigger drone. This one in particular does not have an air unit right now because I'm in the process of swapping them, but when you buy it from iFlight, it comes with the air unit all installed. The other drone that I used was this Nazgul F5D. This drone is a little bit smaller. It's actually a dead cat frame, so it's not a perfect X. It's kind of shorter in the front, which I like better for filming. But this drone is also pretty solid at long range, but it's just a little bit smaller and it's better for close quarter stuff. So if I'm orbiting a subject or just doing more freestyle type moves, I'll usually go with this drone. As you can see, there is an AirTag electrical taped to it. That does not come from iFlight, but I like to do that with a lot of my quads just so I can find them if I lose them. iFlight did an amazing job with these. It's all encased, so you can see on the side, it has side panels, and it just looks like a really, really solid, badass product. iFlight definitely did not pay me to say this, but the iFlight pre-built quads are the best ones on the market, in my opinion, as far as pre-built drones go. Link is down below for both of these drones if you want to check them out. Also, before I end this video, I have another exciting announcement to make, and it's that I actually just started a second channel. And essentially what that channel is just hour-long videos of these shorter cinematic FPV videos. So it's much longer. I put peaceful piano music on it, so it's kind of just for, you know, putting on in the background when you're editing or studying or anything like that. I'll like randomly throw them up on the TV some days just to have something on. But I'm super, super stoked to make more of them in the future. And if you want to check out the Hawaii version of that, link is also down below. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know it's super cliche, but the likes actually help a ton. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.